Regional Plan 9 helps startups by giving support, guidance, and chances to grow. Do you want to know how learning can change your career? Hi, I am Mohammad Rateeb Butt, the founder of Skillshare Hub. We offer easy and flexible learning with online courses and live workshops for students and professionals who want to grow their skills. We stand out by mixing traditional and digital education with hands-on workshops. This creates a learning experience unlike others. Our goal is to close the skills gap for everyone. In the next 6 months, our plan is to reach the more users and start corporate training program. Thank you to PITB, Regional Plan 9 and Air University Kamra for supporting us and making this possible. Stay tuned for more updates from Skillshare Hub.